In this video, we are going to see how we can uninstall or remove the TikTok application from the iPhone completely. Just remember that it's only going to remove the application and not your account. So don't worry, whenever you want to install it again, you can simply install that and use the same credentials to log in. So anyways, let's continue. This is our application on the desktop screen of iPhone. What you do is just hold on to that icon, and at the bottom, you will see this remove application. I'll just click it right here. And it says that you have two options. Either you want to remove it, just the icon from the home screen, or you want to delete a complete app. I want to delete the app in this case. So let's select that second option. And it will again ask you for the confirmation. We will click on delete to continue. And that is how we remove it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.